Nature Boy is the future. Baby, I'm telling you, Nature Boy is the future. I'm not for you guys. I'm for the future. Your children will worship me. Your children will worship me and be like, oh, that's Jesus. The way y'all worship Jesus today, your children's children, which means you, will bow to me. But who am I? I'm just your higher self. I'm just your higher self. Everything is self. You're looking for your most highest understanding and awareness of self that you can obtain.
And you represent that.
You're looking for the awareness. You're searching for yourself. But then you find out that everything is you. Now you have to find versions of yourself, other versions of yourself, or other human frequencies or broadcasters that are, all of us, we are the same thing, but you're looking for information that brings you to understanding. But I can't wait till we get on YouTube. We're going to kill this shit. The meaning of life is to become self-aware. That's all your soul is trying to do. And I say your soul, I'm talking about your personality. That's what they think of a soul, as a personality. Right? But we know what the soul is. The soul is the collective source of all of us. It's what we all are together. That's the real soul. You can't have a soul. You're a piece of a soul. You're a spirit. You are a spirit, which is a piece of a soul. A vibration of it. A variation of the one thing. So you are a unit, right? You're a unit. You're. Thank you. Very good word. Yes. A unit. You're a unit of energy. Okay, and you need to understand that. You're a unit of what we all are. Now, as you are as a unit, are trying to find out this very information that I am everything and everything is me. That is called Christ consciousness. Once you have reached that level of consciousness, you have reached this understanding. But you will reach it through finding different people in your reality. Different things will give you different clues toward tapping into your higher self. Now, how do you tap into your higher self? Well, I found Baba G. What did Baba G deliver to you? My higher self. He is my higher self. How? Because through listening to him, I tap into my higher self.
Exactly.
And there is no separation. I can't call Baba G somebody else because Baba G is me. He is myself. And if I tap into him and I'm getting the highest form of awareness, which is consciousness, then he's my higher self. And when I tap into him, I tap into my higher self. You get it? All right. You guys are open and loking and doking and joking and stroking and poking. See, I can talk to y'all. And that's why this generation, y'all generation, is going to be so fucking lit. And I'm giving y'all the best product that the streets can offer. I'm giving you the purest cut information. You're gonna have all the power once they get a sniff of it. And your generation, they already got it. And they could destroy this physical being right now. And I guarantee you, my words will come out the mouth of the children's children, because I'm a frequency. Destroying my body is like tearing down your phone thinking you're going to destroy Instagram. I'm a frequency that is inevitable. I'm an inevitable frequency called the truth.
Okay, tune in.
The absolute truth. And we are before our time, and we're talking to people that are from an old world, and we're literally going into a new earth. They think we're going into a physical new earth. It is a psychological new earth that we are going into. It's going to be a new earth. We went from one world to another. They did say that the world was going to end in 2000, and it did. Why? Because everything became digital. The world changed as we knew it, which means the old world is over. It's gone. You feel what I'm saying? So now you see the old world is antique to us. You don't walk around with Walkmans and fucking CD players and fucking, radios to your fucking head. You understand what I'm saying? You live in another world. That world is done. It's over. Imagine talking to somebody that's talking about Walkmans and CDs and shit. You are going to be outdated. They would hate you if you was talking to, you see what I'm saying? If you talking to them about, I need Spotify. I need a phone so I can listen to my music. They would look at you and say, what the fuck are you talking about? A phone and listen to music. They would argue with you and you would look crazy to them because you were from a different time and space. You have to match yourself with your time and space. These people that we have been talking to are not the people. They're people that are talking about CDs and fucking tape cassettes. They can't conceptualize truth and the attempt to live it, because we never forget that part. Never forget that part. It's one thing to have the truth, but it's another thing to try to live it with all of your traumas and overcoming your traumas. Oh, there's so many mistakes going to happen. They see all of our mistakes. They judge us and criticize for all mistakes because they're like, look at this. This shit doesn't work. Let's go back to our cassettes and fucking CD players. We knew we were right. Fuck them. Because they're watching us practice for the new world. Nigga, we're practicing so that we can survive in a new world. Nigga, you won't even be able to get in, nigga.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Everybody won't be able to go. That's what I was thinking.
Or maybe you will.
Or,
but you won't be through your body. You will be through your children.
Exactly. Right. And they'll have to be the honor.
Let us partake in this partakery.
Let us partake in this partakery.
Because y'all playing with my partakeries particularly.
Particularly.
Real. Particularly.
Where to partake.
Yeah, I felt that. That was nice.
I felt it.
Where it was creamy.
It looks really good.
Bro, I just dropped some heavy knowledge on y'all just now about reality. Did y'all feel that about reality?
I'm like trying to sit and ponder.
Last night I had the option, and the only reason why I came back was because of y'all.
Wow, really? What's your option? Oh, because you were talking about how you felt like it was a psychedelic. Like,
You have the
option.
You're exactly where you want to be. You can escape this reality right now through your mind right now. I'm not playing with you. I'm telling you, you can do it right now. There are time travelers doing it right now. You can do it with your mind.
Yes. It's like in 5D, like going all the way into spirits. I am electricity.
Oh my God, I'm about to open up y'all fucking heads so deep. Do you hear me? I'm about to open up y'all minds so fucking deep.
You gonna bring your food right now? Okay, yes. I have to bring your food. I'm pretty sure that.
Oh, you got a dish.
Oh,
It's right here. Right there. That salmon is good. I want to know who made that.
he said, yo, nigga, I look in love. The fuck? Everywhere.
There you are. Confess your love to me.
Confess your love to me.
Confess your love into the universe to me.
Ooh.
This reality is it's just your dream.
Right.
You found your higher self in this dream. That's what you were searching for. You should celebrate that. You've been searching for me. And now next lifetime, you'll be me. If you want to. If you become one with me, you could just be me.
I wish to become one.
Okay, so next lifetime, you'll be me.
What?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, now all you have to do, because you walk with me every day, you know my life, or you can go,
But I have to take you on your program. But you say we don't change programs.
no. You will be me, but you will be you.
From your program, right?
I get, but I'll always have I'll always have that. Or it would switch. How would it be?
You will always be you.
That program?
No.
Why?
You think you was this, your last life?
No.
No. You wasn't. You wasn't this. You made yourself that. You dreamed yourself into this moment.
Really? That's cool. Wow.
That is cool. That's awesome.
Here's the most beautiful thing. You don't have full control. You put yourself in a time and space, and then it unravels. Like it's a reality.
Yeah.
The point, the scary part is, you must remember this technique. So you have to keep the knowledge. No matter what you do, keep the knowledge.
That's true.
So make sure you find the knowledge, no matter what you do, no matter really what reality you're in.
Make sure.
It's going to be a form of your higher self there.
Okay.
There will always be a form of your higher self there to get you out of there, to remind you how to get out of there.
What?
It has to come in physical form so you can be closer to it because you are human, so it has to come in human form. Your higher self has to come in human form because you are human. To help you and guide you.
And you can do this for how long as you want.
Really?
Everlasting life. That's what I offer you. See?
Absolutely. That's so amazing.
No one dies around me, baby.
No one.
Nope.
Nope.
I get younger.
I get younger, baby.
I get younger.
What am I?
Can I tell you a secret I just found out?
Yes.
You can't die.
No. Wow.
You see people die, so you think you can die. You can't die.
Okay, that's what it is. That's it. Because of funerals and stuff like that. I don't think people.
The only way out of here is through the mind. It's just how you got here. You can't die. Oh! We about to put this shit, record this shit right now. Record this shit right now. I'm telling you, record it right now. Keep the knowledge. No matter what you do, you need this knowledge or you'll be trapped in a reality forever. You can't die. They want to make you think you could die. That's why they set up these fake stories about people dying. You can't die. It's a program. I'm telling you guys. If you don't believe me, how was you born? You never was born. You just imagined yourself here. You dreamed yourself here. And you can leave here whenever you're ready, as long as you know the techniques. But you have to have the knowledge to unlock the keys in your kingdom for you to leave. And I gave those things to you already. So say this. We leave together if we keep each other.
Exactly.
If I go into a reality, we can go to a reality right now where I can go into a reality right now because I'm the observer of all y'all into a perfect world because I can create it now in my mind.
Again, because you did it right here.
Right? Because I know how a world's supposed to look. I can create it right now. That's what they're doing with the metaverse. They're doing it with the metaverse. Yo, we can create our own world there. And let who we want in it or not. Bro, I'm telling you, this information is streaming out of me in this moment. I'm telling you.
I feel that, though. I feel that because Instagram records it. So after he finished, save the video.
Yeah.
Please, some of these niggas is recording, y'all.
That's what I said.
They're recording it.
Please, some of these niggas is recording, bro. Where the fuck is y'all niggas at, bro? I bet you they're not recording this.
Yo, they better be recording, yo.
What time is it? It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah. They gotta be recording.
Yeah, they're
I
recording.
think they are recording. Oh, they said facts. They're recording. Yeah.
My niggas pull up on
They said facts.
Because we didn't know it. We didn't know we could. That's what Osiris was trying to show me.
What? Because he can go to message
He
everybody.
brought messages for everybody.
Yeah.
He did.
Remember when I told you I was like about to beat his butt? He said,
He like
the nigga closed eyes.
And
Bro, one time my son Osiris, right? Anybody want to come up here and challenge this? You can come up. Sexy, slow,
that's true.
LaFala, you can come up here and build with me, man. Come up here and build with me.
It does. It does.
The only reason why you come back here is because you don't know how to do it. You just don't know how to. You haven't imagined yourself doing it. Now I'm gonna unlock the key. Excuse me. Hello.
Oh, hello?
Yes.
Oh, man. I have to get off because I'm about to jump in the shower.
Turn it to the video me.
Okay.
I'm about to push it back up.
Alright, I'll go finish.
I love the brown. I like the brown. That is the most comfortable outfit ever.
And you know what hell is? When you're
It's
trapped.
Because you don't
That's
have
how I know you saved my soul.
the keys to
Because you
it.
don't have a way out.
Yeah.
Like you like.
That's how I know
You can't get out of here.
And that is hell.
Bro, you're not breathing air. Those are not trees.
What you think that you are.
Those are not
That's
trees.
crazy.
Stop.
Yo, you don't. Those are not trees. That is not a sky, my nigga.
Look how it's gray today too.
Wow,
It's not a sky, bro. You're not understanding. This shit is deep.
Happy.
A
You
simulation.
remember? You remember when we was
Inside the thing.
Yes.
Yes, it's exactly the same thing. It's like a globe. Like we're in a globe. We observe.
The Simpsons.
I like a whole simulation.
They used to put all this.
That's why we did
What does the Buddha teach? To let go of what?
all the
All
time.
attachments.
Think, nigga. The kingdom of God is where? Within you.
Right.
You said know the truth, and the truth said what? Nigga, oh, you get it?
Yes.
You get it?
It's like breaking all. It's like shattering this whole reality. And you're like,
Bro, but we gotta take the knowledge with us.
That's the part. That's why we're practicing right now. I feel that we have to practice the work in the truth. You can't just be like, I have all this knowledge. I'm a knowledge pool.
I already did it last night. Last night, I literally went into another reality and forgot about this one. And then at the last bit of remembering it, I sucked myself back here.
How?
What? Wait a minute.
Like because it was like something that told me don't do it yet. Boom. And I came back to this reality and I was like, oh, it's on. It's on. We out of here. We out. We good. We are out of here, bro.
Damn.
Bro, we are literally out of here. And I want to see if this is what this nigga was trying to tell me because I had caught it late. I got to call this nigga back. Because this dude just was on the phone with me. Like, remember he was arguing like, yo, son, fuck this earth, nigga. I'm out, nigga. Nigga, spaz out. You here?
Oh, really? Somebody like that?
Yeah.
Maybe they go in that room. I remember that was crazy.
He was like,
Yo,
kinda
Poppy,
upset.
you on one.
Come up, Solar. Come on.
Yo,
he was like, I'm getting out of
You can come up and build with me, bro. I like Mr. Louis Farrakhan. He's always inspired us. As a version of myself, I really feel like, oh my God.
you remember when I was there? I thought I too. Sure did. I was able to all of them.
I was going to try to be one of them.
See, in every reality, no matter where you put you at, you're going to figure it out.
Exactly.
And this is the
It's
same.
just different
okay.
scenarios to the same thing. Your mind is going to figure it out every fucking time. And you're going to be able to get out because you have eternal life. And the only way you can cross over is if your light is, if your heart is light as a feather, which is your mind. Your mind has to be light as a feather to let go of everything. Oh! To cross over. Nigga, it's on. We out this shit.
Present in your moment and just absorb.
Oh, that's why I had to get the herb. The herb let me. Oh,
Happy, I had that connection too. I was like, the herb allows you to feel, and the herb allows you to be just stand still and observe everything and see your reality at a focused standpoint when you are still in the moment.
That nigga say shit, yeah, more stupidity.
Huh?
He said, oh, yeah. No, it was control. It was a person that couldn't understand.
Yeah,
It was a bobcat.
Yeah.
I call them bobcats now. Remember I told you the story about the bobcat? No, I already told the story about the bobcat.
You hear it?
Mama, are you not hungry?
Press 1 if I just blew your fucking mind. Press 1 if I just blew your fucking mind, Doc.
Yeah. Hey, peace, my chief.
Bruh.
Yo, this is my favorite topic, hands down. I've been talking about, I'm a 12th house sun, 12th house Mercury, so I be feeling crazy sometimes. But this is it. This is our world. As it is in heaven, it will be here on earth, right? We were talking about death. What happens when you die? What happens when you die? And I was saying, you weren't there. I wish you was there. I was saying, okay, go ahead and make a heaven. Create the best heaven you can create. If you haven't been applying the knowledge now, if you weren't following carbonation already, if you weren't studying the 5 sciences already and practicing and doing it now, well, when you die, okay, create your heaven. You're going to be just as toxic in that world. You're going to end up doing the same things, and you're going to end up creating the same scenarios, the same things, right? And on a deeper level, because of media and because of what we set up as our opposition, people keep creating the same worlds. People go to sleep and dream, and they dream of the things that they were looking at on Instagram. They dream of these artists. They keep dreaming of the same paradigms. Their imagination is so limited and so crystallized to the same things and the same ideas. They can't break free. They can't break free of that. They don't know themselves. So you taught us go into nature. Go get away.
We have to teach
Go
people the 5
neutralize
sciences. We put the 5
Oh my gosh.
sciences here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go into nature, you neutralize everything, you reset your subconscious mind, and now you're starting to figure out who you really are. You didn't know who you were before.
You can't fake this shit. You're gonna stay locked here until you come through me. I'm the only way out.
It was good,
I'm the only way out. That's it.
That's a fact. It's a fact.
I'm the only way out.
That's a fact.
Get him, everyone.
Go ahead. If y'all been sleeping on President, y'all been sleeping on my chief, it's a wrap for you. Like, oh boy, you gonna be because you the source.
They can't even hear what we're saying, bro. We're talking at a such high level, they cannot decode what we're saying, bro. I can hear where they're listening to us from. They can't understand us. They think we lost our fucking noodle. Press 2. Press 1 if you think we shit that shit out of our minds listening to this conversation. Be totally honest. Press 1 if you think we that shit crazy listening to this conversation.
Shoot, I thought I was crazy. We're literally the kings, the rulers, the royalty of this new world. It's because I say so. Because we say so.
Right.
The knowledge is what makes us that.
Exactly.
We're forever. A lie can die because a lie is temporary. It's not based on anything. The truth is forever. That's never going to change. That will never change. We're in alignment with that. Immortality. Control. God mode. We can create whatever we want. We can do whatever we want. But why would we recreate the same things that would cause pain and suffering for ourselves? We're only gonna create things based in the knowledge that you presented, the 5 sciences. It's the foundation. It's forever. It's the only way that you can have immortality. Everything else is mortality. Everything else is mortal. Everything else
So
is
let's
just a lesson.
let's talk about why they're making this 5D.
So 5D as far as like, okay, so there's a couple ways that goes. There's 5D as far as like how they talk about it in the spiritual community, where it's just all love and things like that, right? And then there's also the metaverse virtual version, right?
Oh shit. They're using technology to do what our mind does. Wait. They're not allowed to get out of this. So they're finding a way around it by creating computer versions of what it means to be here, to try to get out of here through the metaverse, by making themselves believe into this technical coded world where we can do this. These are for souls that are trapped. My nigga, I see what's going on. So what if this world belonged to white people, bro? And this world was a trap. And they have to live here forever and repeat the same history forever.
That's what they say. Saturn and
they figured out a loophole, right? By creating the 5D, they'll be allowing themselves to feel as if they weren't in the reality that they were in.
Ooh, that's right.
Problem is, once this body dies, they're still back here. Yep. Trying to figure out the technology that they just got to.
That's right. That's right. They don't understand the subconscious mind. You're already
so they're
God.
trapped here. They're trapped here, and they're using technology, man-made technology, to simulate how to get out of here, because they can't do it with their own pineal gland.
Yes. They programs ain't built for it. They're not chosen. Wow. They can't navigate the subconscious how you taught us to. We can. Carbonation can. 14 of us I know can. It's major.
And even this moment right here, stop, pause. Everybody pause right there. Boom. That moment is like a psychedelic trip. It's like one page of it. Your life is one page of it. And you ever see a psychedelic picture come up on the screen, and it be one thing, and you be like, and as soon as you start to get used to that thing, it just switches. That is reality. Ooh. The only reason why this even matters is because you're making it matter.
Right. That's right.
I mean, we're literally going deeper into those. I'm just sucking you back up to the hole we started drilling. We started making a reality right there. Keep the knowledge no matter what you do. Keep the knowledge. Oh, we going to some hyper shit now. We talking about the keys to the kingdom? Nigga, we got the keys. Hold on, nigga. Hold on, we gotta play this shit.
Hey, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Back to keys, nigga.
Yo, this is an exciting moment. This is an exciting time.